Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Hello dear students, I am Dr. Mona Semalti from HNB Garhwal University and I welcome you all in this module, and today in this module we are going to discuss about hair care products, about shampoo, conditioner. Okay, so these two products we are going to discuss. So in continuation to our previous module on cosmetics and cosmeceuticals, so this module is for hair care products. Learning outcome: after going through from this module, you will be able to know about shampoo, the general description, ideal properties, classification, formulation, ingredient, and anti-dandruff. What is anti-dandruff shampoo, as well as we are going to see the hair conditioner. So lesson plan, we will be moving. So this lesson plan: shampoo, the definition, introduction, their ideal properties, classification, formulation, ingredient, anti-dandruff shampoo, and conditioner. What are the ingredients of conditioner and what should be the properties? So all these things we are going to discuss. Shampoo. So dear students, you are very familiar with the shampoo. It is a hair care product basically and used for cleansing the hair. Okay, typically in the form of a viscous liquid. It is a very viscous liquid that is used for cleaning basically for the hairs, and it is applied to the wet hairs. When you massage it, it produces foam and you have to massage it into the scalp. Then you have to rinse it out after 2-3 minutes. Okay. However, the shampoo may have the secondary function. It may include the treatment of dandruff and in the scalp irritation and hair conditioning and moisturizing. So properties, moving to the properties of shampoo. Shampoo should be effectively and completely, it should remove the dust and soil completely. It should have a strong cleansing action and should produce a good amount of foam. Easily removed, should easily remove after application of the shampoo when you rinse your hair, and it should leave the hair non-dry, soft and lustrous. Okay, impart a pleasant fragrance to the hair, as well as should not make hands rough and chapped. Okay, and it should not cause any kind of allergic reaction to the scalp as well as to the hands. Okay, now classification of shampoo: normal shampoo, herbal shampoo, and anti-dandruff shampoo. Basically all three are having the same properties. Normal shampoo, which is normally we use in our day-to-day life, and herbal shampoo, basically it contains the active ingredients which are from plant origin. That is why we consider them as a herbal shampoo. And anti-dandruff shampoo. Anti-dandruff shampoo is having some other special ingredients. We also discussed about these ingredients in the module where we discussed the dandruff, in what are the causes of dandruff, and what are the materials, specialized ingredients which are added in the shampoo. Okay. Ingredients of shampoo. We are quickly moving to the ingredient of the shampoo. So dear students, please just think of yourself what must be the ingredient of shampoo. Okay, so very first thing which comes in your mind is the cleansing agent, or we also call it as a detergent, thickening agent which imparts the viscosity to the product. Aesthetic additives are also added as opacifier, pearlescent ingredient which imparts the uh, good shine and good appearance to shampoo. Conditioning agents, basically conditioning agents, they do not produce foam, but they are used for maintaining the hair condition. Preservatives are added and pearlicizer and opacifiers. So these are some ingredients of normal shampoo, and if we call it as a anti-dandruff shampoo, some other anti-dandruff agents are also included. Okay, detergent, basically the cleansing agent, which I think we skipped one slide. So in detergent, there are different types of detergents which are used: anionic, cationic detergent, and non-ionic detergent. So, okay. Next ingredient is a thickening agent. So thickening agent, as I told that it imparts the viscosity, necessary viscosity to the product for easy application to the hair. Think of if your shampoo is having less viscosity, it will completely drain off. As and when you will withdraw it from the container, if the viscosity is not optimum, it is going to drain out from your hands. Okay, and the viscosity, if it is too thick, what is going to happen? If it is too thick, it is not going to come out from the container easily and quickly. So that is why the viscosity is very important for shampoo. Okay, and so this viscosity is imparted from thickening agent. Okay, so viscosity so viscosity imparting agents like cellulose derivatives and polymers of acrylic and vinyl butadiene, these are used. Aesthetic additives, this include the additives which enhance the appearance. Basically, I told you earlier also, it is going to enhance the appearance like color, smell. Okay, it's going to give you a good appearance basically to the product. It is used to improve the hair condition, can also control sometimes the acidity of shampoo. So polyquaternium, silicone additives, proteins, amino acids, ceramides, pentothal, glutamic acid derivatives. So these are used. Next is conditioning agent. Conditioning agents are added to provide the strength to the hairs. So this agent, improves combining the uh, combining the normal cleansing property, as well as the which is going to give you, which is going to maintain the overall health of the hair. So vegetable oil, waxes, lecithin, lanolin derivatives, protein, and quaternary ammonium compound, silicone dye, methico, polyols. These are few examples of conditioning agents which are used in shampoo. Preservatives. So dear students, just recall preservative. This we also discussed in the uh, earlier modules on cosmetics and cosmeceuticals. So there we discussed preservative as an additive for cosmetics. So preservative is added in the shampoo to protect them from bacterial contamination and in any kind, and to prevent any kind of decomposition. Okay, so just have a look: parabens, methyl paraben, organic acid and their derivatives, para-hydroxybenzoic acid, uh, ester, salicylic acid, sorbic acids, these are also used. Formaldehyde releasers, 1,3 dimethylol 5,5 di methyl hydantoin. So these are few examples. Just so, dear students, I suggest you just go through from the preservative module. Okay, so there you will come to know in detail about preservatives. All right. Okay. Uh, Opacifier and pearlifying agent. So this agent basically it gives a creamy appearance, or you can say the less transparent consistency to the product. So glycol stearate, also known as glycol monostearate, and ethylene glycol monostearate. So these are the agents which are used to impart the creamy consistency to the product. So now moving to the anti-dandruff shampoo. So dear students, as I told you in this module earlier that shampoo basically the normal shampoo and the anti-dandruff shampoo. So normal shampoo is having the normal ingredients and anti-dandruff shampoo is associated and it involves the addition of some other specialized ingredients, okay, which are used to treat the dandruff. So these shampoo generally help in overcoming the problem of dandruff in the scalp, thereby they cleanse the scalp. So nowadays number of shampoos are available in the market, anti-dandruff shampoo, so which serves this purpose. So this shampoo contains anti-dandruff agent such as zinc pyrothene, selenium sulfide, salicylic acid, okay. You can also refer our previous module of dandruff. There we have discussed in detail about the dandruff and its treatment part. So this is one formula I have mentioned here for your reference about. It is of anti-dandruff shampoo. So see the ingredients. Look at the ingredients: selenium sulfide, okay, bentonite, sodium lauryl sulfate, demineralized water, perfume, preservative, and color. So dear students, just try to make out these ingredients and what for they have included in this anti-dandruff shampoo formula. So can you make out selenium disulfide, which is a, what is it? It is a anti it's an anti-dandruff ingredient. Okay. Sodium lauryl sulfate is added, which is a detergent which is going to impart the cleansing action. Demineralized water, which is used as a vehicle. Perfume, preservatives is used to protect the shampoo from the microbial contamination. Perfume is going to give you a good flavor, and color, it is going to improve the aesthetic value, and bentonite, it is a thickening agent. Anti-dandruff shampoo preparation procedure. So I have just mentioned this preparation procedure for your reference, that sodium lauryl sulfate, selenium sulfide, perfume, preservative, and demineralized water. This all ingredients are mixed together with gentle stirring to minimize the frothing, and then with the specific amount of bentonite which is added to the above mixture with vigorous shaking, and mixture is left for settling. Then the shampoo is labeled and dispensed. So next we will move to the evaluation of shampoo. So dear students, when we manufacture any product, so we need to evaluate this product before it is marketed. So evaluation part of shampoo, the physical appearance, which is by visual inspection, clarity, foam producing capability, fluidity. So these are some parameters which are important physical parameter of the shampoo. pH, obviously pH is which is going to play which is going to play an important role. pH, if the pH is not optimum, so it may result in the irritation and some sort of allergic reactions also. So pH, it is determined by making 10% shampoo solution in distilled water and then measuring the pH by using pH meter at room temperature, that is 25 degrees centigrade. Okay, so the acceptable limit for the pH is between 4 to 9. So pH, which is very important, and it is measured by pH meter. So dear students, just go through from the functioning of pH meter and look at the pH meter which is there in your college and laboratory. Just go through from it that how the pH is determined, what is the procedure for determination of pH. You can also design a small experiment of determination of pH in your college or in your university where you are studying. Okay. Next is dirt dispersion. So dirt dispersion, add 2 drop of shampoo in a 10 ml of distilled water. So to this test tube, drop uh, 1 drop of Indian ink is added and it is shaken for 10 times. Alright. So what happens in the foam which is produced, the content of ink is recorded as a heavy, moderate or light or none. Okay. So this is about the dirt dispersion. This the detailed procedure we already discussed. Okay. Foam ability and foam stability. This is also important. Foam ability, that the shampoo with the main objective of producing it is the production of foam. Then only it is going to cleanse it. Then only it is going to impart the cleansing property. Okay. So foam producing foam is very important. So the production of foam and its stability, that it should how long it is going to be stable. So what we have to do, 50 ml of 1% of shampoo solution, it was put into 250 ml of graduated cylinder. Cover the cylinder with hand and shake for 10 times. Okay. You have to shake it for 10 times like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Up to 10. So the total volumes of foam contents after 1 minute of the shaking were recorded immediately. So the volume of foam at 1 minute interval or 4-minute interval is recorded. Next is surface tension measurement. Okay, surface tension measurement. So stalagmometer is used to determine the surface tension. So for this, 10% of shampoo solution is used. Eye irritation test. So about 1% of the shampoo solution is instilled drop wide into the eyes of 6 albino rats. So the eyes are observed for any irritation or any damage, and it is recorded at definite intervals over a gap of 4 seconds. So next is the wetting agent. So canvas disc is used, which is 1 inch in diameter, is floated on the surface of the solution, and the time required for it to sink is measured accurately. So as you can see, okay, wetting action which is done by using canvas disc. Detergency and cleaning action. This is also very important. Detergency and cleaning action. To what efficiency level it is going to cleanse your hairs. That is why it is important. 5 gram of sample is soiled human hair is placed at 35 degrees centigrade in water containing 1 gram of shampoo. The flask is shaken for 50 times for a minute of for a minute up to 4 minutes, then washed with enough water. After filtering, the hairs are dried and it is weighed. So the amount of soil removed under this condition is calculated. Okay. So next is packaging of shampoo. So shampoo are packed in a small volume container and a large volume container. So the small volume are in the form of a sachet which you are familiar with. So these are available in the market. So these are able to protect the product from environmental condition and the container which is going to protect the from the environmental condition, as well as should not react with the product, and packaging should not impart the product the any kind of odor. Okay, should be non-toxic. So the shampoo package should contain necessary information such as the name of the product, brand, composition, uses, instructions, warning, and it should also uh, made in such a way as to avoid any contamination. Sachet, I already discussed the sachet. They are small pouches which are very flexible, require less storage space, easy to carry along. They also save some money and they are very easy to carry with. Bottles, as per the Indian standard, shampoo will be packed in a glass or plastic container. Okay, with proper sealing. The bottle must be light, weight, convenient to use, tamper proof, and okay. So now moving to the hair conditioner. They improve the feel, appearance and manageability of hair. So they reduce friction between the strands of hair to allow a smoother brushing or combing, okay, which might otherwise cause damage to the scalp. Okay, so various other benefits of such as hair repair, hair strengthening and reduction in the split ends. Hair condition is basically it replaces the natural oil that shampoo strip away with the hair or wash. They usually contain one or more fat, oil or synthetic compound that behave like fat and oil surfactant and a bunch of other stuff that makes it more marketable. Basically, it's going to provide the some conditioning, maintenance to your hair. Conditioning shampoo, these newer formulations are aimed to wash and condition the hair and the scalp in one operation. Okay, so leaving behind the hair manageable, easier to comb, lustrous, and it gives you the soft hair. Ingredients: surfactant. So these are the ingredients of hair conditioner. Surfactant, approximately 97% of hair consists of an protein like keratin. So surfactants of keratin contains negatively charged amino acids. So hair conditioner therefore it usually contain the cationic surfactants, okay, which don't wash out completely because they are hydrophilic and strongly binds to the keratin. So the hydrophobic ends of the surfactant molecules then acts at the new hair surface. Oil, okay, essential fatty acids, they help in dry porous hair becomes more soft and malleable. So scalp produces a natural oil called sebum. So see, so these essential fatty acids are the closest thing to the natural sebum. Thermal protectors and glossers. So they are usually heat absorbing polymers, and glossers, they are light reflecting chemicals. They bind to the hair surface, usually polymers, mainly silicones, dimethicones and cyclomethicones are used. Moisturizers, the role of moisturizers is to hold the moisture and it prevents the drying out of the hair. And usually these contain high proportion of humectants. Okay, reconstructors, they usually contain hydrolyzed proteins. Their role is like to penetrate the hair and strengthen its structure. Acidifiers, they are pH regulators. So they are going to regulate the pH of the product. Okay, this is one formula of conditioning shampoo, as you can see, and just go through from this formula and try to understand what ingredients are added for what purpose. This is procedure. I am not discussing this procedure in detail, dear students. Just go through from this procedure that what you have to do, and see triethanolamine lauryl sulfate and diethylamine perfume preservative demineralized waters. They are mixed together with a gentle stirring to minimize frothing. Okay, so then amount of lauryl aminopropionate acid and lactic acid are added to the mixture and its pH is adjusted. Okay, so your shampoo is ready, then it is labeled and dispensed. Okay, the types of conditioner. Now we will discuss leave-in conditioner. Leave-in conditioner are thinner and they have the different surfactant which add only a little material to the scalp. So they are based on unsaturated fatty acid chains which are bent, not straight. Okay, so this is one type. Conditioner, ordinary conditioner, they combine some aspects of both pack and leave in one. Okay, so these are generally applied directly after the use of shampoo, and manufacturer usually produce a conditioner counterpart for this purpose. Hold conditioner are based on cationic polyelectrolyte polymer and they help in holding the hair in a desired shape. Pack conditioner are heavy and thick with a high content of surfactant which are able to bind to the hair structure and basically glue the hair surface scales together. Okay, so these are usually applied to the hair for a longer time. Okay, the surfactants are which are based on long straight aliphatic fatty acids chain similar to saturated fatty acids. So, dear students, these are the references. So, dear students, we have discussed in this module about shampoo and conditioner. So, just go through from this module and then you will come to know about shampoo and about its properties, ingredients, procedure, anti-dandruff shampoo, what are conditioner, what for they are used. So all these things you are going to understand after going through from this module. Okay, so dear students, that's all for today and stay tuned for more videos, and thank you so much for watching this video.